chapter is 5.7, Nanda Manava Kicha. Questions of the young Nanda. Manav Padi means young man. These are the questions of young man Nanda. The story is the same. One of the 16 disciples of that old Brahman who go to ask questions from the Buddha. So we studied 6 and this is the 7th Brahman asking questions. So I read out the first. Santi loke munayo jana vadanti taivam kathansu Jnanopannam no munim vadanti Udahuve jivitam upapannam Santi loke. There are some munis in the world. Jana vadanti, what people say, Taidam kathansu. So, how is it to be understood that this person is being called a muni? Jnanopannam, because they have some refer to his knowledge. No munim vadanti, so when they call someone a muni, do they refer to his knowledge? Or udahu ve jivitam upapannam, all about his way of living. What does the term muni mean? So that is the question.
न दिठ्ठिया न सुतिया न ज्ञानेन मुनीधनन्द कुशला वदन्ति विसेनिकत्वा अनीघा निरंसा चरन्ति ये ते मुनियोति भूमि.
Not ditthiya, nor because of a particular view, na sutya, nor what he has learned, nor nanyene, nor of his knowledge, munidha, nanda, kusala vadanti. For Nanda, the kushal people, the experts, don't call anyone a muni. Visen katva, aniga nirasa. Visay has double meaning. Actually, it also means poison, but it also means enemy. So, the translation there says, I call one a muni who tells calmly, free from animosity. So, it has used that translation. Charanti yete muniyo uruni, and free from desire. So, people who are free from all poisons, actually, if you see that way, it is free from all defilements, free from animosity, free from desire. Them I will call him.
ये केचिमे समन ब्राह्मणस्य दिथा सुदिनापि वदन्ति सुधिं शीला बातेनपि वदन्ति सुधिं अनेकर रूपेण वदन्ति सुधिं कच्चिषु ते भगवा तथा यथा चरणता अतारु जातिंचा जरंचा मारिसा उच्छामि तम भगवा ब्रूहि मेतम.
So this is either from asking you, Lord, tell me this. Ye kechi samana brahmanasya. All these brahmanas and samanas, ditti sutthe enapi vadanti suddhim. They say purity lies from ditti, from particular philosophical views and from studies of learning. Shila batenapi, and from virtue and religious rituals. Aneka rupena vadanti suddhim, and then many other ways they talk of purity. So, Kachisute Bhagava Tatha Yatha Charanta. So, when they live in that way in this world, Attaru have Jatincha Jarancha Marisa. Oh, sir, have they crossed the Jara or Jati, birth and old age? Have they crossed over that? We're asking him that is. So, those people who say that purity lies in this, have they crossed over the birth and death?
सीतां तं किमपि वदन्ति सिद्धिम् अनुपरीतेन वदन्ति सिद्धिम् किम चक्रीति पार्थान्यथा चरन्ति वरिंसि जति चरन्ति भूमि.
So the first four lines are the same, repeated from there. All these Samanas and Brahmanas or Nanda who say that purity comes from views or from learning or from virtue and religious rituals and many other way. So even if they live in that way, still they did not living in that way destroy birth and old age. So I say. So it's again asking another question. It naturally follows from that all these Samanas and Brahmanas who talk about purity in so many different ways, if they have not crossed the stream, then who has crossed the stream? Who has crossed the stream of birth, old age and death? So please tell me that.
नाहं सब्बे समं ब्रह्मणासि जाति जराय युदाति भूमि ये सीद दिट्ठवः सुतं मुतं वा सीद बत्तं वापि पहाय सत्तम् अनेक रूपं हि पहाय सत्तम् तन्हं पर्यन्नाय अनास्वासे देवे नरा ओदितानि
Ogatinnati Bhumi. So I say that those people, those men have crossed the flood. Who are they? Now he is replying, Naham Sabbe Sabana Brahmana. I am not saying that all the Samanas and Brahmanas, Jati Jaraya Nivuttanti Bhumi, that they are totally shrouded by birth and old age. I am not saying that. Who have crossed over? Ye siddha ditthim va sutam utam va. Those who have let go of ditthi, of views, of learning, of doctrinal study, of thinking, silabatam vapi pahaya sabbam, and have given up all attachment to virtue and religious rituals and all different forms, aneka rupam pi pahaya sabbam. Tanhaya parinyaya, having penetrated into tanha, Anasavesa, those who are free from asakti. Teve nara ovatavanti. So such men have crossed the flood. Those who are penetrated into tanha and free from all asavas, free from all defilements. Eta vinindami vacho mahesino sukhitam gotamam padipam. Ye silas dittham va sutam mutam va silabatam va pipahaya sabbam aneka rupam pipahaya sabbam tanham parinyaya anasavese aham apite ovatinnati. So it says eti avinandami vacho mahesh. In these words of the great Rishi, I take delight, I delight in them. Sukhitam Gotam Anupadikam, then who have been well expounded by the Gautama, who was free from all upadis, attained Nibbana. So those who are in repeating what Sil Batam Vapiye Siddhas Diptham Vasutam. So all those people who have let go of views, doctrinal study, thoughts, attachment to virtue and religious rituals, and are different forms, having penetrated tanha, are free from asavas. Such men, I say, have crossed the flood. So he's repeating exactly the words of the Buddha. And then he says, Hamapite Yogatinnati Bhumi. I also will call such men as flood crossers. Those who have crossed over the flood of birth and old age. So this is the question of Nanda.
There is a question from Amit. Please explain attachment to virtue.
Yeah, the Shilabhata यानी जो शीलबद्ध परामर्श की बात है, that's a bit really tender subject in the sense that when we say attachment to virtue, it means those who think that just by following Shila they'll get liberated from the cycle of birth. Those who try to get into the extremities of Shila. जैसे वो आया था ना that if you से अहिंसा करनी है तो किस लेवल तक जाके अहिंसा करनी है, ये से कि मैं इनविजिबल प्राणियों की भी अहिंसा नहीं करूँगा, so you devise means and methods of doing so, and मतलब अतियों में जाने वाली बात है basically. It doesn't mean that you don't follow Shila. It means basically Shila, but means vows, vrata jo. So it means basically various kinds of vows and rituals which people follow along with Shila and think that that will lead to liberation.
ये जैसे अब शील का पालन करना है, जैसे अहिंसा का है, चलते हैं हमारे पति भी चल रहे थे, क्या था
वही कहते हैं ना, अब अगर आप ये सोचते रहोगे कि इनविजिबल प्राणी ज़मीन पे हैं और मेरे पाँव से दब रहे हैं, फिर तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। अब मैं तो अब यू आर सीइंग, और जो नहीं दिख रहे, जो दिख रहे हैं उनको अवॉइड कर रहे हैं, नहीं दिख रहे तो चल रहे हैं। सो यू हैव टू अबाइड बाय इन दिस वर्ल्ड, इस संसार में जीना तो है ही।
उसका भी पाप लगेगा फिर।
कर्म तो चेतना होती है, फिजिकल कर्म नहीं, हमारी चेतना, तो आपकी चेतना नहीं है, so that will not become a okay, Amit, is it all right?